In this tutorial, I will show you how you can sign in or log into your Gmail account on Android smartphones and other Android devices by following simple steps as shown. First of all, open your Gmail application. Now, if you have already created Gmail account, select existing option. If have no account, then you have to create before log into Gmail application. I already have Gmail account, so I will select first existing option. Enter your Gmail address and password in the given area and click on next icon. Select OK option. Now, if you have activated two-step verification, this option will be shown. Select next option. Enter 6-digit verification code, sent by Google on registered mobile number attached with that account. And select next option. Select next option. Your Gmail address is added. Now select Take Me to Gmail option at the bottom of Gmail application to open Gmail dashboard and other option. That's it, you have successfully signed into Gmail. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more upcoming update.